I'm very happy to welcome Andy Mendelsohn, Oracle Executive Vice President. Mr. Mendelsohn, what is your area of responsibility at Oracle?
Okay, so I share the development for the Oracle database software and the Oracle database cloud services at Oracle. We also do product management. I run some of the customer support for database. So any customer who's using an Exadata database, that support organization is under me. Any customer using a cloud service, a database cloud service, that support is under me as well.
Includes this also MySQL?
For Oracle database only, MySQL is a separate organization.
Okay. In the beginning of Oracle, the Oracle database was the single product of Oracle.
Right.
Today, Oracle has many different products. Mm-hmm. What significance does the Oracle database have today for Oracle?
So the Oracle database business, as you mentioned, initially was the entire business of the company. And obviously, when you have a company focused on just one product, it's a very different experience than when the company has many, many products and the focus is sort of distributed across all those products. So while Oracle does have a lot of products, the revenue of Oracle still is dominated, by Oracle database revenue. If you've listened to the Oracle earnings calls, we still make a lot of money on Oracle database. Either license sell, support, or cloud services now. So it's still a huge business for Oracle. Plus, Oracle has a big business now in SaaS. We have our Fusion SaaS products, we have our NetSuite SaaS products, we have the GBU SaaS products for industry applications. All those products run on the Oracle database. So even though there's no revenue coming into Oracle that says Oracle database revenue, all of this applications revenue and SaaS revenue is enabled by the Oracle database. So the database is still the foundation of the company. And if you go to a customer, their data, their information is sort of the key to them, running their businesses. So, databases are still incredibly strategic to our customers, more so than they were 30 years ago when Oracle started. So it's still a very, Oracle databases are still an extremely important part of Oracle's business.
Good to hear this. For the future development of the Oracle database, what are the three main goals underlying it?
Okay, so we like to talk about two main goals in our vision.
Okay.
Number one, we want to have what we call the best converged database. So that means the Oracle database is like a Swiss Army knife. It can be used for pretty much any use case. If you want to have a relational database, it's the best relational database. If you want a pure relational database. But if you want a database that can manage all of your data, Oracle's the only database that can do that. If you have JSON data, we are the best document database for JSON documents. If you have graph analytics you want to do, we're the best database for graph analytics. So, overall, we want to be the best converged database for any data management use case. And then the other big goal is around simplicity. Historically, Oracle is not known for being easy. It's known for being fairly complicated on-prem to provision and, tune and deal with Oracle databases to run your business. So as we go to the cloud era, simplicity is really important because we want any developer, any analyst to be able to push a button, provision an Oracle database, and build their applications without anything in their way of doing that. And so with Autonomous Database, our big goal is make everything really easy, self-service experience, where a developer can do what they need without needing some administrator or engineer to help them get their job done. So those are the two big things we're working on. The third big area for us is actually optimized infrastructure for database. So on-prem, we have a technology called Exadata, which is a very optimized piece of hardware for running Oracle databases of any sort. As we go to cloud, our cloud services, of course, run on the Exadata infrastructure also. So we're doing a lot of effort to make sure what was initially sort of a box that you roll into a customer for Exadata. As we go to cloud, it's becoming more of a virtual box where you can provision an Exadata infrastructure for an Oracle database at the push of a button, where we just get resources from pools of compute and storage and everything else and build it up dynamically on the fly. So we are continuing to invest a lot in optimized infrastructure for database as well.
Today, Oracle will motivate the customer to use the Oracle Cloud. But my observation in Germany is that there's not so many customers, it's growing up, but not so many customers will use the cloud. In future, will Oracle develop and support the Oracle database also on-prem, or only in the cloud?
Well, for now, for the foreseeable future, we will have customers running the Oracle database software both on premises and on cloud. And in fact, we expect a lot of customers are going to be what we call hybrid, where they will have Oracle databases on-prem, they'll have Oracle databases on the cloud, and they'll actually be integrating the two together in interesting ways. Information will be flowing between those databases. So for the foreseeable future, we will certainly be supporting whatever our customers want to do, and the customers will want to run, our software everywhere. Certainly, if you look long term, computing is going to be utility, and just like today, the customers in Germany are happy to take their plug and plug it into a wall and get electricity and not have to have their own power generators. It's the same with software on the cloud. There will be a time, and we can argue when this will happen, but there will be a time when nobody's going to be installing software on laptops anymore. It's all going to be delivered as a utility over the cloud, over the internet, just like electricity. And it's just inevitable that this is going to happen. It's for a business to invest energy in provisioning hardware and running, database software and managing it themselves, it's that's going to go away. It's just a matter of when. I can't predict when that'll go away, but it's just inevitable that computing is just going to be utility, just like your electric power is. Right?
What do you think? In which way will Oracle develop itself during the next years?
Oracle today has two main businesses. We have a technology business and we have a SaaS business applications business. So we are continuing to invest in both of those businesses. The technology business is sort of a foundational business for the SaaS business. So we view it as not just technology we sell to the customers, but it also is important as a basis, a foundation for our SaaS business. So if you look at these different businesses, on the SaaS side, Oracle has decided strategically to invest actually in healthcare. So we just acquired a company called Cerner. So we think one of the industries that we want to make a huge strategic entry into is in this whole healthcare market, built around the Cerner acquisition, which is a medical records business. And we think that is a big business opportunity for us moving forward. So you'll see a lot of Oracle energy going into that industry. But I think, basically we're continuing investing in the same core areas we have before. We have technology, which, like database, middleware, and our cloud, our Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI, are the key technology investments. MySQL actually is another area we're investing pretty heavily in right now as well. And then in the SaaS space, we have all these horizontal applications. We have verticals, so we have applications for financial services. We do anti-money laundering for financial services. We do applications for healthcare now. That's a big new initiative. We do applications for telcos. So Oracle's, into all these areas. I don't think there's fundamentally we're going to keep that going, and we will have some areas of focus like healthcare moving forward. There may be others, beyond that, but that's where we're headed right now.
Thank you very much for this interview at Doactiva.
Okay,
Thank you.
You're welcome. Glad to be here.